Hello everyone. In my last lecture, we discussed about the relation between edge length and radius of the sphere. For simple cubic crystal system, face centered cubic crystal system and body centered cubic crystal system. In this lecture, with the continuation of the last topic, we discuss about the calculation of packing efficiency or the space occupied by atom in the cubic crystal system for SCC, BCC and FCC. But if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos as well as share and like the video. Before we move further, we just recall the relation between lattice parameter or edge length and radius of a sphere. Number one, for simple cubic crystal system, the relation between A and R is the R equal to A by 2. Then next one, for the body centered cubic crystal system, relation between R and A is the R is equal to root 3 A by 4. And lastly, for face centered cubic crystal system, R is equal to A by 2 root 2. This table is important for the NEET and the JEE exam also, because the questions are made directly asked on these relations. Then we discuss about the calculation of a packing efficiency in simple cubic structure. In simple cubic unit cell, there are 8 atoms at a 8 corner of the unit cell. This is a simple unit cell. Here we show the two sphere at its two corner. The radius of the sphere is R and the edge length is the A. Since each corner atom contributes 1/8 of the atom, thus total number of atoms in the unit cell is equal to 1 by 8 into 8, that is equal to 1 atom, as we discussed before. If A is the edge length of a cubic unit cell and R is the radius of an atom, then relation between R and A is R equal to A by 2, that is A equal to twice R. Then volume of the unit cell is the A cube, and as the value of A is twice R, therefore twice R cube. Volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Therefore, the packing fraction of a simple cubic structure is equal to Z effective into 4 by 3 pi R cube by A cube. In SCC, number of atoms per unit cell, that is the Z effective, is equal to 1 by 8 into 8, that means 1. So, packing fraction is equal to, here we put this value in this formula here. So, we get 1 into 4 by 3 pi R cube by A cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi into A by 2 cube by A cube, that is equal to pi by 6, and so the value of a packing fraction is equal to 0.524. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to 0.524 into 100. It means that the packing efficiency is equal to packing fraction multiplied by 100. So here we multiplied this value of a packing fraction by 100. Here we get 52.4%. Percentage of void space. Percentage of void space is equal to 100 minus packing efficiency. So here we get the percentage of the void space is 47.6%. Then we discuss about the calculation of a packing fraction in face-centered structure. In face-centered structure, 8 atoms are present at the 8th corner of the unit cell and 6 atoms are present in the center of 6 phases. So 8 atoms are present at the 8th corner and each atom is contributed by 8 cube. So 1/8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1. Then 6 atoms are present in the center of 6 phases. Therefore, each, and as we know, each atom contribute to unit cell, neighboring unit cell. So half into 6, that is equal to 3 atom. So total number of atoms in the unit cell is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. If A is the edge length of a cubic unit cell and R is the radius of an atom, then in FCC structure, the relation between R and A is R is equal to A by 2 root 2, or A is equal to 2 root 2 into R. Here 3 spheres are present, 2 are at the corner and 1 is in the center of the face. So this length becomes a 4R, R plus twice R plus R, that is equal to 4R. And the relation between R and A is R equal to A by 2 root 2. Then volume of the unit cell is the A cube. So put the value of A 2 root 2 R, and A cube is equal to 2 root 2 R cube. That is equal to 16 root 2 R cube. Volume of one atom is the 4 by 3 pi R cube. So packing fraction is equal to Z effective into 4 by 3 R pi R cube divided by volume, that is the A cube. Packing fraction is equal to 4. The value of Z effective, volume contributed atom of FCC is the 4. So value of Z effective is the 4. 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by A cube. That is equal to 16 by 3 pi R cube divided by 16 root 2 R cube. That is equal to pi divided by 3 root 2. And finally, when we put the value of pi, that is equal to 3.14, and the value of root 2, we get packing fraction is equal to 3.14, which is the value of pi, divided by 3 into 1.414 value of root 2. Here we get the value of a packing fraction 0.7404. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to, when we multiply the value of this packing fraction by 100, then we get 74.04%. And here we calculate the percentage of white space also by using the formula 100 minus packing efficiency, that is equal to 26. In FCC, percentage of white space is less as compared to SCC. So in case of a face-centered structure, the spheres are more compactly arranged. Then calculation of packing efficiency in body-centered structure. If A is the edge length of the unit cell and R is the radius of an atom, then in this diagram, 3 spheres are located. 2 are at the corner and 1 is in the center of the body of cube. The blue color line is the body diagonal and its length becomes R plus twice R plus R, that is equal to 4R. and the relation between R and A is R equal to root 3 A by 4. Therefore, packing fraction is equal to Z effective into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. Packing fraction is equal to, here we put the value of R. So 2, which is the value of Z effective, because BCC is made up of two spheres or the atoms. So 2 into 4 pi by 3, and here we put the value of R, root 3A by 4 cube divided by volume, that is the A cube. So packing fraction is equal to root 3 pi by 8, and when we put the value of root 3 and the pi, we get 0.68. This is the packing fraction of body centered structure. Packing efficiency is equal to packing fraction, that is 0.68 multiplied by 100. Here we get the 68%. Percentage of white space is equal to 100 minus packing efficiency. So here we get the 32%. It means that in case of a BCC, the white space is greater than FCC. It means compactness is less as compared to FCC. In this lecture, we discussed about the calculation of a packing efficiency in SCC, FCC and BCC